Ferrari F355 Berlinetta is a masterpiece in Italian engineering and design. This F355, however, went through a fascinating journey to return to its origins. I'm Darren, and welcome to our All Access vlog. For most of us growing up, the posters of our dream cars shaped and inspired an entire generation of petrol heads. Cars that were engineered and designed not because of market demographics and environmental concerns, but simply out of a competitive need to outdo each other. The Ferrari 355 Berlinetta was such a car, with the name indicating the 3.5-liter capacity and 5 volts per cylinder V8 engine. As a car which was over 2 decades old, this Ferrari 355 had accumulated its fair share of mechanical and aesthetic wear and tear, including some bodywork customizations from a previous ownership. Our clients had plans to restore the F355 to its original factory condition, so a comprehensive vehicle reconditioning program was put in motion to achieve that. This involved a very extensive mechanical and aesthetic transformation to the car. We began with a disassembly of body panels and bare metal preparation of the bodywork. The modified front and rear bumpers, front fenders, and entire undercarriage covers had to be replaced with brand new original parts from Ferrari. The bare metal process ensured that the many layers of accumulated previous paintwork was removed for a correct surface preparation program. Once the bare metal process was completed, a chemical decontamination program was done before a fresh new layer of primer was applied. As part of our Tier 1 paintwork refinishing program, the car is subject to meticulous preparation with ancillary sections of the vehicle disassembled for a thorough restoration. For example, the doors, windows, windshield, glass and rubber moldings. As part of the transformation process, an original shade of Le Mans blue was selected from Ferrari's original paint catalog and imported from the manufacturer together with the high solids clear coat option. It's truly a period correct paintwork option, and it's a lovely contrast against a sea of predominantly traditional Rosso Corsa. We worked on the major mechanical sections of the car to repair and restore, including a complete replacement of the absorbers, suspension arms, drive shaft, clutch, fuel pump system, and a brand new ABS system. We had the engine intake manifolds, cylinder head covers, and timing belt covers powder-coated for a heat-resistant original finish. Details are important for a classic restoration project like this. As a performance upgrade, a brand new Ferrari-approved Brembo GT 6-piston caliper and new ventilated discs were fitted up front for improved stopping power. The existing rear calipers were serviced and had the seals replaced. The complete front and rear Brembos were personalized with Ferrari logos. The original Ferrari magnesium alloy wheels were restored and refinished in its original bright silver finish. They were then detailed and treated with a hybrid ceramic coating to resist brake dust contamination. The leather interior was completely reupholstered in luxurious Napa leather, complete with the original Prancing Horse logo debossed on the headrests. We completely reshaped the seat padding with additional foam supports and hand-stitched the seams with matching threads. The headliner, door panels, dashboard, center console, and framework upholstery was meticulously crafted with care. A Ferrari Momo Challenge steering was flown in and reupholstered in black Napa. The entire carpeting system was replaced at the same time. One of the more crucial aspects of restoring classics is to source the decals and factory labels, which is part of how a concourse-worthy car can achieve its investment potential. Once the freshly painted bodywork had sufficiently cured and outgassed, we began our signature detailing program, starting with the exterior. A multi-stage paintwork refinement program further enhances the new paint system, flattening any textured anomalies and creates a surface that has sharp reflections and contrast. Each stage of the paintwork detailing process adds an appreciable amount of depth and gloss, creating a showpiece that brings out the Le Mans blue color rendition and clarity like no other. A hybrid ceramic coating system is then layered via the use of infrared curing lamps, creating a fine protective barrier to insulate against the elements. We then move towards the coachwork, where the engine bay, wheel arches, exhaust, and the undercarriage begins an incredible transformative journey using a combination of dry ice blasting, high pressure steam cleaning, and chemical decontamination. Dry ice blasting uses -78-degree ice pellets to subject the contaminants that were previously bonded to the coachwork components to thermal, impact, and expansion shock, making full use of kinetic and thermodynamics to restore them to their original condition. The detailing process on the Capristo exhaust alone took a good part of the week to restore the finish to an exquisite brand new look. Once the coachwork was completed, the interior, which was completely reupholstered, was given an interior detailing program to sterilize and protect the finish against UV degradation with our 5-stage leather feed system. For the completion of this F355, our flagship SpectraFocusing RD high-performance tint was installed to shield the driver and passenger from the immense tropical heat. SpectraFocusing RD is a state-of-the-art window tinting film that blocks up to 99% of infrared radiation and up to 80% of total solar energy rejection, with the highest UV rejection rates in the global automotive industry. This high-performance tint is backed by a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects, an industry first. If you've got a classic in your garage and would like to restore her to factory specifications, please give us a call. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Till next time, goodbye.